How to fix alarm no sound in Moto G Stylus. First of all, allow alarm. Open app screen, click on clock. Now here you will see alarm. Select alarm that you want to allow. After selecting alarm, turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow alarm from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search clock app. Now click on clock. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache, clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear storage, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix alarm no sound in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.